cheeky crumbs. It's almost Easter and today we're going to be making two super easy Easter bakes that you can make with your kids or for your kids. We're going to be making some egg-shaped sugar cookies decorated with sprinkles and fondant, and some bird's nests with chocolates and cereal decorated with Smarties, eggs, and little chicks. So let's get started. What you're gonna need: 2 adults. For your biscuits, you're gonna need 200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 85 grams of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And to decorate, we're gonna be using some sprinkles and white fondant. And I also have an egg-shaped cookie cutter. For the bird's nest, you'll need 200 grams of chocolate, some cereal. You can either use Cocoa Puffs or cornflakes or all bran, 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you'll need some chocolate eggs and just chocolate colorful stuff to decorate. And I'm gonna also be using some yellow, black, and orange fondant to make my chicks. To start, you wanna make your cookie mixture. So first we're gonna place our butter in the mixer. Make sure it's softened butter, so it's not super hot. And now, good girl, pour in your sugar. Good girl. And now we're gonna mix until it all comes together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, you wanna crack in your egg together. Hold the egg. Oh goodness me, oh goodness me. It's okay, we saved it. And you wanna mix until it all comes, say, together. Stop eating the butter and sugar.
Banana.
Yeah, I know it's yummy. Now you want to add in your vanilla essence together, okay? And then Emma, put in the salt. Good girl. The bicarb. Good girl. Oh, careful, sweetie. And the flour together. And you want to mix. No, enough. Now it has raw eggs, sweetie, enough. And you want to mix until it all comes together and don't overmix. So just until the flour is incorporated. You finished stirring? I have to wait more. Now are you done? Can we go put it in the fridge? Okay. No, Emma. Oh my goodness me. Wait, enough eating. So now that it has all come together, you want to place it in some cling film. And you want to put it in your fridge for... Stop eating it, please. We need to bake some of it. No, stop. You want to place what is left that your kid hasn't eaten in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill and cool. Oh my gosh, Emma, stop, it has raw egg in it. Come on, let's put it in the fridge. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good girl. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, this is to make the bird's nests. Okay, so put them in here. Put the chocolate in here. Good girl. So you want to place your chocolate, in a bowl with your butter, and you want to melt it in your microwave in 30 seconds burst. So you put it 30 seconds and take it out and stir, and then another 30 seconds, take it out and stir, and so on. No, we're not eating this chocolate, Emma. And so on. So now that our chocolate and butter mixture are nice and melted, I have here the 3 cereals because we're gonna try and make it with all of them. And also we have little Leia here. She's gonna help us out as well. Let's start with one first. Let's make this one. So mommy's gonna pour a bit of the chocolate. Okay. And we're gonna stir. Good girl. Super. No, stop eating. You've had enough. Okay, and now Emma, look. We're gonna put them in the tin. Look, in the muffin. We lined it. Yeah, Emma. Good girl. Yeah. Stop eating it, please. You're gonna get it? Mommy probably put a bit too many. And what you want to do is make a little hole in the middle, you see? Like a nest. Good girl. So you want the size. You just want to eat it. Stop eating it. Emma's gonna pour in the chocolate. Does Leia want some?
No.
No.
Chocolate.
Only milk she eats, yes. Okay, stir, stir, stir. Good girl. Yeah, Emma's gonna do it, look. Mommy's gonna put it, and with your fingers, look at Mommy. You make like a hole in the middle, okay? Good girl. I'll spread it, no, this one's already made. Here. You spread it out, make the hole. Good girl, you see? Very good, Emma. Okay, those are already made. Those are already made. Now you want to place these in your fridge to set for about 30 minutes. Let's say bye-bye. Good girl. So our dough has been chilling in the fridge and I got half of it out. You're going to leave the other half in the cling film. And you want to put some flour on your surface, quite a bit, just so it doesn't stick. And then we're going to place it down. And we're going to place a little bit of flour on our rolling pin. Are you ready, Emma? Okay, hold the other side. And we're going to roll it. Thank you, bravo, Emma. Now we're going to take our little egg. Wait, it's on the other side, Emma. Emma, this side. Mommy's going to place it, Emma pushes down. Go. Good girl. Here is our egg cookie. And we're gonna goodness me. We're gonna place it on this parchment paper. Okay. Kind of. Go, press. Good girl. And then you're gonna place your well, supposedly egg cookies that are not turning out to be very egg-shaped in the freezer for about 15 minutes because you want them to hold their shape while baking. So I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius and our cookies are nice and frozen. Emma, wait. And you're gonna place them in your oven to bake for 6 to 8 minutes until they're golden and you see that they're cooked. Yeah? Say bye-bye, cookies. They're gonna go in the oven to cook. A heart is here, look. Yeah, Emma's heart is here. So now our biscuits have baked and Emma's already eating one and they're over here. And I've colored my fondant pink and we've already decorated these two, as you can see. And I'm gonna show you how. So we're gonna take a little bit of cornstarch and put it on our work surface. And then you wanna roll out your fondant. And using the same egg stencil, we're gonna cut out the fondant, just like that. And then I'm using this other cookie cutter, and I'm just, thank you, Emma. I'm just gonna cut it halfway. And now you can either just use half, so like the one I've done here, just half, or you can cut the upper side some more. So say like over here. And then you're gonna get your cookie and place one down here and the other piece on the top. And then you're gonna put your sprinkles down the middle. And to stick it, I'm using some honey. So what you wanna do is get, well, some honey, a little brush. Then you're just going to gently brush the honey. And you're just gonna brush it on. And then you're gonna place it on your cookie. And we're gonna do the same with the other bit. And now you're gonna brush more honey in the middle. So I have a plate here to capture my sprinkles. And I'm just gonna pour them over. And you wanna give it a little press. Thank you, Emma. And wait, and just clean up the sides. And there you go, a little cookie. So now we're ready to decorate our birds' nests. We have our nests over here, our colorful stuff, our little chicks over here. And these are the cookies we already decorated. So you ready, Emma? So it's super simple and you can do whatever you like. So we're gonna take a nest. You wanna put Skittles? Okay, we're gonna put some Skittles. Should we put, okay, enough, they're not gonna fit, Emma, enough. Let's go. Should we put a little chick? Look. Should we put two? Emma puts it. Oh, how cute. Oh my god, they're so cute, Emma. Let's make another one. What do you want to put? Shall we put eggs? Here. And if you can find those like colorful sugar eggs, they're great for this. I couldn't find any, to be honest. Maybe because, I don't know, we just don't have them here. Let's put a couple of Smarties underneath. Here, put these, just take these. Put them underneath, yeah. And then on top, we'll put these eggs, okay? There we go. Okay. Make another one. Okay. So here they are, our Easter bakes. And they both look amazing. Our bird's nests look incredible, especially the old brown, I have to say. And the little chicks look so cute coming out. And the little Smarties and everything. And then our egg cookies are so colorful. And the sprinkles with the fondant, they look absolutely gorgeous. And now we're gonna taste it. Are you ready to eat? Yay! High five. Yay! Which one do you want to eat? You want to eat the chick? Okay. Eat it. Is it yummy? Mommy's gonna eat this biscuit. Did Emma make this one? Yeah. Oh my god. The honey that we used as an adhesive gives it that like sugary kick. Like sweetness on the top is like delicious. Do you want some cookie? How is it? Is it yummy? Like this? Okay, enough chicks for you. I'm gonna taste one as well. Oh my god, Emma, the nest is where you're supposed to be eating.
Yummy.
Oh my god, cereal is divine. And milk chocolate is divine. So together it's like yum. Do you want some nest? How is it? Bueno, yummy. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought and what you would like to see me make in my future videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.